1,000?
What is wrong with you people? I mean, what do you see in these crappy videos that I make? 1,000, there are schools with entire populations less than 1,000. There are towns, 1,000 is almost a quarter of the entire population of the town I live in. How on earth are there that many people who enjoy the crap that I make that much? I don't know. And I never will. I never will. But I can't say I'm not grateful for it, because this has been quite an adventure into madness these past 6 years. I tell you what, I don't know how I've managed to gain this kind of a following. From the things, if you see the things that I make, you can probably understand why I think that way. Because it is baffling to me that the crap that I've put out here could be enough to gain that many subscribers. I have no idea. I really don't. But thank you. I want to give my sincerest thanks to all you crazy people who clearly have nothing better to do than watch a few crappy videos that I have made in the last 6 years. I don't know what's up with you. I don't know what you find appealing in it. I don't know why I make the videos in the first place, nor do I know why people watch them. But I'm thankful that you have, and that you've stuck around, and so many of you have stuck around that we're now in quadruple digits. I have no idea how that could have happened, but I'm grateful that it did. So, in honor of this, I am going to make myself a play button out of wood, because YouTube, as everyone knows, YouTube always hands out those play button awards when a channel hits either 100,000 subscribers, 1 million subscribers, 10 million, 50 million, 100 million, all that. But they don't give anything for 1,000 subscribers, because why would they? They would have to make like thousands of them. So, since they're not going to make anything, I will make it myself. And you are going to see me make it right now. So here it is, the wooden play button for 1,000 subscribers on my channel. I'm probably gonna, well, I don't think I'll paint it. I thought about doing that, but I don't think I will. I think all I'll do is probably put a little label or something that says just that. 1,000 subscribers. Whatever they say on the real ones, I'll just modify that and then put it here in some way. And then I'll put it on my wall somewhere. I don't know where. As you can probably imagine, I don't have a lot of room on my walls at this point. But the point is, thank you all so much for getting the channel to this point. I really never would have imagined it would happen, considering the quality of the things that I make on here. So thank you all so much. Like, genuinely. It's like, I'm just a silly man who makes silly things, but the fact that over 1,000 of you have been willing to watch those silly things, well, not just watch, but stick around to watch more of them, it means a lot to me, genuinely. So I'd like to thank you all, and I'll put this on my wall somewhere. I'm sure of it. I'll find a place for it. But still, thank you all so very much, and thank you for watching this video. But yeah, I guess I'll see you all next time. I did it! Yay!